Hi, it's Nika from Fabulously Creative. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making a mini flip book for your pen pals, snail mail, or whatever projects you would like to use them in. But before I get started, I just wanted to show you what I will be using. I got these from Kudos Creations, a shop on Etsy. The link will be in the description box. And these are just some crochet embellishments. They come in... Not sure if the gold ones are in the shop yet, but they come in a few different colors. I will be using the multicolored one. You just open this up. And they come in a few different sizes. And I will be, let me just zoom in so you can see it. Alright, they come in a few different sizes. So we have the multicolored ones. And my favorite, which are the pink ones. I'm saving these to use on a scrapbook layout or another DIY project. I haven't decided yet, but I just wanted to show you these before I got started. And these are great if you do a lot of paper crafting. Sometimes you want to use something different, something other than paper to embellish your projects. And these are just the citrus ones. And I won't pull them all out. But I just want to show you these. And I will also have a coupon code for these. They will be in the description box. And let's get started on that mini flip book. The first thing I did to get started with this flip book is select a few papers that match my crochet embellishment and cut them down to size. I will be making a cutout in one of these cards using the outline of this washi tape. I did not have a circle punch that fit this size, so I'm just going to have to make do what I have. So to cut this hole, the first thing I do is just get a smaller hole punch to start the hole off. And I'm just going to make a few holes to get it started, and then from there I will just cut that circle out. And I do have to apologize, I am not the best at cutting circles. I have a hard time cutting circles, but I am going to make this work. So the easier way to do it is to cut out the larger piece and then go back in and try and straighten it up. I don't know if anybody else has issues cutting circles. I don't know, they just always come out kind of wonky, but I made it work. So once that is all cut out, I'm going to put the pieces together, and the crochet embellishment is going to sit in the middle just like that. And I want to kind of make a frame for it because, I don't know, this is the star of my little mini flip book. And I'm excited because, I don't know, I always embellish with paper, so it is nice to use something, you know, with a little more texture. And I'm just trying to decide what to do, but I'm going to make like a frame, kind of almost like a shadow box frame. And I'm just going to put some foam tape on the back of here so the frame sticks up a bit around that little embellishment so it doesn't get smashed. And now that it's all ready, I'm just going to peel off the backing. These do come with an adhesive backing, so you don't have to worry about trying to glue, you know, put glue or anything. And now that the front is together, I'm going to layer two sides because I did not have any double-sided scrapbook paper. So I'm going to put the two sides. I have two fronts and two backs. I'm just making sure everything is kind of straight first. Even though when you make these, you do have to straighten or cut the edges back out to make them straight once you fold it together. So once I have my two fronts and the two backs together, I am going to put a piece of washi tape on the two backs just to tape those together. And I'm just going to put it right down the center. And once I have that tape down, I'm going to glue the other side to it. Once my sides are all glued, I do add a piece of decorative washi right down the middle. And now I have this little vellum envelope, and it's a little big, so I'm just going to cut it down to size and glue it right there. And I'm going to use that purple glue stick. It's the disappearing glue, and I'm using that mainly because it dries clear. All right, now that my envelope is glued down, I will be adding some little bits and pieces, some little die cuts inside the little pocket. And these make great little additions to any pen pal pocket letter or flip book. So I'm just adding anything tiny that will fit in this little pocket and also kind of match the color scheme. And on the other side, you can write a nice little note for your friend, just something to say hello. And I'm just embellishing that side also, but also leaving room so I can write a quick note. And I'm also embellishing the back, but you can leave the back blank if you want, if you need extra room to write. But I like a little extra embellishment, so I'm just putting this little bicycle die cut, and the back says follow your own path. And that is it for my little mini pocket letter. Oh, one more thing, I do add this gold glitter circle, and I cut this out because my circle was not as straight, so I did cut this off camera, just something to cover up the fact that my circle is a little crooked. So here is my completed flip book. The front has a little word sticker. It says stop and smell the roses. And you open it up, it has some little embellishments in there. You can also write a note to your pen pal right here and also write some things on the back. And I will be putting it in this little pouch. You can also get this pouch on Poodle Crafter's website. From her Etsy shop. I'll leave the link in the description. So there will be a link and a coupon code. So I'll be packing it in here to send to my pen pal along with some other little things. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know what DIY project you would like to see next. And I will see you guys next time.